Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you another Notion automation, and the idea is to create a Google Meet from Notion. So what we got here is just a normal database. We have the name, so we want a meeting with John Johnson, his email address, then the meeting date. You can just click it around and change it to whatever your preferred date is. And if we now click on the Create Meeting button, the automation runs and a meeting is created. If we now go into the email post in the email folder of this person, so you see the button automation run successfully, we can see that there's an invitation for John Johnson's meeting on Sunday, the December 15, 11 p.m. to Monday, December 16, 12 p.m., which are exactly those dates, and this person also can join this meeting right away. The nice thing now is also that the meeting URL is added to this row. So before we ran the automation, there wasn't a meeting URL. Now we have the meeting URL, and if you now click on it, we jump right into the meeting, which is a really cool thing. So how does this work in general? So the idea is the main magic lays in this button. If we click on Edit Automation, so it's an automation button in Notion, and we can see it's a Send Webhook button. And what this does is, if you click this button, a webhook is triggered and sent to make.com. You can see here that this webhook contains the name, the email, the meeting date. Yeah, which is important because in the email which automatically gets generated, we reference the name, and we also need the email address. And so if we now look at make.com, which is the automation which runs this automation, you can see that we have three parts. We have a webhook, we have the Google Meet, create a meeting, and we have Notion, update the database. I won't go into too much details around here about the technical background. I just wanted to show you what is possible with Notion and how you can automate a Google Meet creation with a Notion database and make.com. If you're interested in the technical details and how to set this up on your own, click on the link below in the video description. It gives you access to our free Patreon, and on our Patreon we describe how this entire process works and how you can build it on your own. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Bye.